Ever wonder how to call a stranger without
Oh,
giving
hey
away
there.
your personal
Didn't see
phone
you
number?
standing there.
Whether you're selling stuff online
Just
or
checking this out.
protecting your privacy, hiding your caller ID seems perfect. But there is a major catch. Reports show that over 76% of people completely ignore calls from private numbers. Luckily, you can mask your identity with a few quick tricks. For a one-time fix, dialing star 67 before the number works instantly. If you want a permanent shield, you can change your phone settings. iPhone users can just toggle off Show My Caller ID, while Android users can select Hide Number under supplementary services. But remember the hidden trap. Hiding your number doesn't work for text messages, and it completely fails when calling toll-free lines or emergency services. Since so many people avoid the private label anyway, using a secondary phone app
I'm
is
just
often a
leaving now.
much smarter
I'll be
move.
there in about
It
15
gives you a
minutes.
real,
Text me if
functional
anything
number, so you
changes.
look
Okay,
legitimate
bye.
while keeping your personal life totally secure.